Hey guys, it's James. I am going to show you what I do for hair. Okay, theoretically, just getting out of the shower, my hair's still wet, and the first thing I do is I'll take out some of the water. I'll kind of pat dry it a little bit, but I'll keep it damp, like really damp. And the first thing I do is put this grooming clay in it by Label.men. I think it's you can find this everywhere in Europe, Italy specifically. I found this from a salon in Verona that has this everywhere there, but it's actually kind of hard to find in the States, so I bought it from Amazon. Anyway, I'm just gonna squirt like a little bit, like that much, into my hand. Work it into my entire hand, and then work it into all of my hair. See that? Okay, so it looks like this stuff needs a little bit more. Not a lot, because a little bit of this goes a very long way. I do this every time I do my hair. Now in this little tutorial, I'll show you things that I don't do every day, but can be helpful. Okay, from there, what I'll do is, I don't often do this, but I have this Aveda thickening tonic for my hair because I have a lot of hair, but it's thin, and after a while, like through the day, gravity gets a hold of it, just pulls it down and makes it look kind of, well. So I use this tonic. This is a travel size. There we go. Ta-da! A little bit goes a long way, and yes, it's a spray, but I still wet down my hand a little bit. I will still spray this into my hand because I don't want it condensing into one part. 2 spritzes, kind of rub it like that, and then through my hair. That is it. Nothing crazy. And when you do this through your hair, don't just get the top and go back. Start really here from the front root, no matter where it starts, no matter where your hairline starts, sensitive subject, and then kind of softly pull it back. Don't pull too hard. You don't want to pull your hair out, and just get it all, even the sides. You want things to look even. From there, I swear by this stuff. Evo's Casual Act Molding Paste. I use this every single day. It's a great molding paste. It smells really good. Not too, doesn't have a ton of scent to it. It's not overwhelming, what I mean. When you have an overwhelming scent in hair product, it usually means that for my hair, it's gonna just do everything I don't want it to do, which is make it lay flat and look greasy and gross. So a molding clay really helps to give my hair volume, but also stay in place. It works as well with the grooming cream and the tonic thickening. Ooh, I didn't even show you how much I put on my finger. Thickening spray, all those 3 things work really well together to kind of create this concoction that helps hold my hair up. About that much. But I had already put it on my hand, so I'm gonna put this back. Okay, see, it's literally all over my hand. See that? Everywhere. And then again, make sure that you're getting the front, because you want to make sure that everything is getting covered here. Now, through this, I've been running my hands through my hair a lot. That can actually dry it out, so I'm gonna just wet it down a little bit more. Just get some water in my hands, not a ton. Just wet it, keep that concoction marrying the hair. Okay. And I'm gonna rinse off my hands again, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair. Now, with a blow dryer, you don't want it on all the way high heat. I mean, sometimes, let's face it, a girl is in a hurry, but the heat over and over and over again every day can actually damage your hair and create more split ends, which people with shorter hair still kind of should, I don't know, worry about, but be cognizant of it because it can really damage your hair in the long run. So what I do is I put it on low. Still the heat is the same, but it's not as hot as high. Does that make sense? So still warm, but it's not as serious. Also, I'm using this, I don't even know what it was because I've used it for so many years. The label has come off. So Dyson, if you're watching, send me that like hair dryer you got going on. So anyway, and this will take, this will take a couple of minutes, but it's a good arm workout. Please. I'm sorry that I just did that. Okay, and I'm getting kind of like the top here. And I pull it to the side here, but I always wear my hair going that way, but still I'll pull it to this side so it keeps that volume up, but at the end I will push it over that way. So it'll look like it's doing what it's supposed to. Yeah, sure, why not? So this is the difference from low to high. It's too much. Okay, so even with all that product, see how it's like standing up? It's so easy to just move it wherever you want. Oh God, I love all that stuff. It took me forever to figure out that concoction. I know that there are things that could actually, I'm sure there are other things out there that could be great, but I love what I found. So this is kind of like the height, oh gosh, in this video, it looks so much taller than how I actually wear it. Okay. That, and I kind of like a messy look. I like for things to, and I always do this. I don't know if it's a nervous tick, but I'll always put my hands through my hair. I just keep it to the side, just like that. Also, a good hairstylist, somebody who's cutting your hair, will really help with this. Those people cannot be underlooked. How much shaping your hair can just change your life. Okay, so that is my daily. Sometimes I'll add on to that with Stockholm Sweetum's Ref Flexible Spray, especially if I haven't seen my stylist for a while. Like these little things will start to get a little out of control. This spray, it smells great. Just a couple, and then I'll just, the good thing about this is that it goes on dry. It's a dry hairspray, so it doesn't look like everything else is like well lit and dry and natural, versus this like huge, like major shine that you get from like, I don't know, other not dry hairsprays. Another option is Miss Malleable. Whatever, just believe me, I can't figure out this lighting. This is also by Evo. Miss, Mr, whatever. I'll use a little bit of that. It thickens things up, why not? Like, I just love like a more thick, full look. Just don't use too much of it, and also don't spray it on your skin. Don't get it on your face. No one likes that. Sweat, like you can clog your pores, which is not fun. Another thing from Evo, I'm realizing I'm a big Evo fan, is this little haze styling powder. Now this is something that can really, can you see that? Yeah, okay, there we go. seriously, that is exactly why they do that. People from YouTube, which is now me, do that little hand thing. Oh, yeah. Anyway, this is literally just powder. Like, here, I'll just like, see, just powder. What you should not do is dump it right into your hand, or right into your hair. I will honestly just dump it right into my hand, just like that, just a couple little things, kind of rub it around. Do you see all that? You don't, that's fine. And then put it right here in the front. The fun thing about this is that if you're going anywhere, I'm realizing that this is very vain of me, but whatever. If you're going anywhere, let's put more, where there's going to be photography, this helps catch the light. It makes you like really look like you've got even a more full head of hair. I know it seems minuscule, but hey, little stuff that counts. Love this stuff. Don't overuse it. Don't use it, like you can use it every day. I just don't use it every day because I'm kind of running around the city of Seattle, and I would get really heartbroken if my hair was messed up all the time and not doing this full justice. So I don't use that every day. I probably should though. Okay, those are my daily things / not daily things. If that was confusing, which it probably was, don't write it in the comments. I don't want to hear about it. Washing my hair. I don't wash my hair every day. I rinse my hair every day. Lies, I did not take a shower yesterday. I rinse my hair hopefully every other day. But when it comes to shampoo, I use True Volume Thickening Shampoo. Like I said, I have more thin hair that gravity just loves to hold on to and pull down and put it in my face, and it's just like, whoa, looks gross. So I need some help, girl. I use Jack Black True Volume Thickening Shampoo. This stuff is amazing. Here, this stuff is amazing. I really love this. It smells great. Oh my God. And it feels great too. Oh. That was from the shampoo that actually made its way into my face a little bit. Anyway, I use that, and sometimes it really works. But when I'm going to then put products into my hair, I need something to kind of loosen it up a little bit. And I use Jason Biotin conditioner. Biotin is really good for strengthening your hair for long term. And when you wash and condition your hair, you really, really want to get into the roots. You don't just want to get the strands, you want to like really massage the roots. So you really start from the beginning. You can't just use this stuff once and then it be like completely different, you know, have a completely different head of hair. I mean, it does make a noticeable difference immediately, but over time you really want to build up strength in the strands of your hair, which is also why I take high potency biotin. It helps with nails and hair. This is just nature's blend I got from QFC. I take this every single day, one little tablet. And it's actually working for my little nail too that I slammed in a door. I think that is it. Really works together and it just looks shinier and more held together. Even if it's messy, it still looks good. And that's the kind of life I live. Messy, but still trying to look good. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.